So this is some of our brilliant cedar stock, and my good friend Clinton is working on a project where he's building a nice bar and a garden room completely out of cedar. It's going to look absolutely amazing, so let's pop down and see how he's got on.
When I arrived the first time, it was a tale of two stories. On the one hand, the fencing was up and it looked incredible. Meters of beautiful Canadian colours lined the garden walls. However, the garden room was currently just a flat bed in the ground. Bit of work to do. So I did my filming and then popped back once Clinton had finished the build. And oh my word, what a job he'd done. The room was up and clad in our beautiful 20x70 PAR. And inside stood a bespoke cedar bar, lined with hundreds of offcuts from the outside build, complete with an 84 bottle wine rack, hand-built drawers, and its very own mini fridge.
Last time I was here, mate, this was completely flat. It's been a while, hasn't it?
It was long process. Came to you guys, got the timber, studied it all out, fitted it all, done the fences, handmade gates, and then this lot in here.
And talk me through, mate. This is your work of art, after all.
This is all individual triangles cut from offcuts of the building, tight bonded down to ply. The bar top is resin top, wine rack, which I made from scratch as well, was Osmo oil.
Can we go have a look at the wine rack? Because I really like this.
Just a labour of love, really. It took a long while to make, done all the profiling on it. Holds 84 bottles of wine, the customers over the moon with it.
Was that the request that you needed at least 84?
No, they just gave me, the whole thing was, they gave me free rein with it, really. And this is how it came out. They're over the moon, they love it.
And how long do you think it'll take them to completely clear out and replace that wine rack?
Well, I know the customers, it won't take them long.
Can you talk us through, because this worktop here looks fabulous.
Yeah, it's literally all of the offcuts of when I'd done the outside of the building, which was 70 by 20 mil. I cut them to 80 mil and then just put them through a jig on my table saw, and this was the outcome. We stuck them all down. This is a resin base on this one. The back one's saddling, the front of it's saddling, and everything else is Osmo oil. It's all edged as well with the cedar. Everything is cedar from yours. Handmade all the drawers.
And why did you choose us? Why cedar?
She liked the look at the idea of the cedar fencing, said how about we match the fence through with the cedar, and yeah, as you see, it came out really well, and she's over the moon with it.
And how long did that take to put all together completely?
I mean, to build this from the ground up took us 6 weeks. That's with the flooring, the skirtings, plastering, everything. I think the bar and all this lot was probably another 2 weeks on top. It was so many bits. I think we've got like over 1,000 triangles in it.
Well, I must say this is certainly a lovely space, so and the work you've done here does look incredible. Obviously cedar, great choice of timber, really hard wearing, long lasting. And as you can see here, the beautiful array of colours you get from its natural variance of colour. This absolutely looks fabulous, so fair play, mate. You've done a brilliant job.
To be fair, all the timber come from Southgate, and it was perfect. It was all a very good quality timber. None of it was bowed about or anything. So it was easy to use. It was good to work with.
I appreciate you saying so. Really appreciate you having us down here to have a look, and thank you very much for using us.
Cheers.
It's a pleasure seeing us.